other people who need help or own Jamaicans. So a special fact-finding team has been appointed to investigate the working conditions of Jamaicans employed on Canadian farms after workers in the province of Ontario said last month that they faced exploitation at a seismic level. So in a statement, Minister of Labour and Social Security, Carl Samuda, said the 6-person team will observe operations and speak with workers on the farms and provide a report to the ministry.
The brief statement did not provide any additional information, such as which farms in the team members will visit or when the trip to Canada would take place. A group of Jamaican farm workers had sent a letter to Samuda in August denouncing their treatment on 2 Ontario farms, which they likened to, and I quote, systematic slavery.
Boy, it sounds like that for true, but the workers who are not named for fear of retribution, which is understandable, said they were in Canada under the Seasonal Agricultural Worker Program, a decades-old scheme that allows Canadian employers to hire temporary migrant workers to fill gaps in the country's agricultural labor market. Samuda went to Canada to tour farms employing Jamaican workers days after receiving the letter.
But after his trip, Samuda said in a statement that he observed no evidence of mistreatment. But for years, human rights groups have reported a range of issues with SOP and other migrant labor programs. Now, foreign workers are reported living in crowded, substandard housing, and many said they fear retribution, such as being deported or barred from coming back to Canada for the next season if they raise concerns with their bosses.
All right, so I'm hearing, as you go with these things, you hear outside of something. I hear say, oh, we didn't know about it, but we don't see any evidence of it. But if so many of the workers are saying that it's happening,
and writing letters and
videos, then something all right.
I believe they are being mistreated. So, that's my personal opinion.
You know how when you know, say, your parents coming over, you clean up your house?
Yeah.
All right. So if me know, say, you come, you never clean up your house?
You're going to send a team because we're not covertly sending a team, you know. It's not like you send 6 persons and say, hey, be a part of the program and go and report back to me. This is the official delegation from Jamaica coming over to observe. No, man, everything I got nice, man. And then
know, say, you want to stay here and get your money. So me know, say, you're not going to talk. No, man. We need to don't. We've watched so many movies. We can do this.
I mean, Mr. Samuda, I would just love figure it out properly. Because
put some effort into figuring it out.
I can understand you going over there, but you're going over there as in the capacity of a minister.
Official visit.
A senior official within the Jamaican
So I am going to
government
paint
hierarchy.
the walls, I'm going to sweep up outside, I'm going to cook some food, everything going nice. Just send in some people and say, you are my spy, tell me what I want, and then you will see the truth. Let's go to a break.
With that?
Breathe over it. I will go.
Spy Sanique will be right back with more buzz.
Me will go. Me go spy.
Me will go.